In the shadowy recesses of human history, an intriguing hypothesis emerges, one that propels us beyond the confines of earthly origins into the enigmatic realm of extraterrestrial. Could it be that humanity, the very architects of civilization, are cosmic nomads brought to this terrestrial abode millennia ago? The mystery deepens as we navigate the cryptic corridors of our planet. This alluring proposition posits a celestial liaison in the ancient epochs, a cosmic dance that may have intertwined the genetic tapestry of humans with an enigmatic species from the Alpha Centauri star system. The echoes of this cosmic intermingling reverberate in the present, casting a mystical aura over the ancient lands of all Euhamia, where the remnants of the Sumerian city of Kish whisper secrets dating back to 300. Within the inscriptions of the Kish tablet, a Sumerian king list unfolds, chronicling the rulers of a city that claimed kingship after a mythical deluge. Among these names, Jusher and Kulasina Bel, the latter's designation, a poetic Akkadian phrase meaning all were lords, veils the city in an air of intrigue. Scholars speculate on the subtle absence of centralized power during Kish's ancient reign, adding layers to the enigma. Humans, bestowed with the gift of written language, emerged as architects of their destiny. Over 5 millennia, they ascended to unprecedented heights, unlocking the secrets of electricity, mastering nuclear forces, and soaring to the moon. Cosmic enigma persists. Why does the timeline of human evolution reveal a solitary ascent to advanced technological intelligence? In traversing the evolutionary landscape, humans' shift to bipedalism liberated their upper limbs for tool manipulation, but exposed them to vulnerabilities such as lower back pain. Why, despite their intelligence, do humans grapple with survival across diverse earthly landscapes? Dr. Ellis Silver, an advocate of extraterrestrial ancestry, delves into the anomalies within human physiology and behavior. Lower back pain, he suggests, may bear the scars of an initial evolution on a planet with the perplexing spectacle of large newborn heads causing birthing challenges raises further questions about the human species' mysterious past. Expanding the cosmic canvas, connections emerge between humans and the Basque people, boasting the highest right-negative blood percentage. Robert Sepehr's tome, Species with Amnesia, plunges into the esoteric realm of Ra-negative blood, weaving a narrative of a hybridized human species and the rise and fall of civilizations preceding our. Dr. Ellis Silver, in A Cosmic Exploration, posits Earth as a potential prison planet, a crucible where humanity grapples with its intrinsic violence until cosmic rehabilitation is achieved. Saivocative theory invites contemplation. Could our tumultuous history be a cosmic tutorial guiding us toward maturity in the vast expanse of the universe? As the cosmic enigma unfolds, speculative threads intertwine evolutionary peculiarities, ancient tablets, and blood mysteries, crafting a rich tapestry of wonder and intrigue. The tantalizing question lingers in the cosmic breeze. Are humans the interstellar wanderers they seek among the stars destined to unravel the cosmic riddle on Earth's enigmatic stage?